Hello, I'm Rob with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Today we're going to show you the Easy Speedy Zero Clearance Fence for the Bosch Glide. The model number will be linked to the description below. Here we're going to show you installing it. We've got the left one on already. All you have to do is use the bolts that are supplied with the kit. Snug these, and you're installed. Now, once these are snugged, if this does not slide for you, all you have to do is take take some Scotch tape, and right above where this goes right here, you'll be taping this right above that point right there. Put one piece of tape right there. One piece of tape right there. And right there. That should give you the clearance you might need. Some of these, for whatever reason, they sit back, and so snug that up. Snug that up. This way, now when you want to move this, you can slide it. All it takes is just a little bit of tape on the top portion of your fence, and it'll give you that clearance. Sometimes the manufacturers make them even, sometimes they set it proud, sometimes they set it back. This one, as you can see, was a little bit back. It just took one piece of tape. Now I can slide this in and out, and I can lock it. It's that simple. It's an Easy Speedy Zero Clearance Fence from Custom Fabrication Solutions. Thank you so much.